Hey, this is Stefan and Henne from GHEIST.
Hey.
Today we are going to show you how we create our kick drums. Yeah, here we go.
So we wanted to show you some different things that we just recently did. We fell in love more and more with breakbeats, and we decided like programming breakbeats is super tricky and it never sounds real, so we focus on searching for good breakbeat loops and cutted them in the way we wanted it. So we have this loop here prepared already, and gonna show you this for a second. So this is the loop. We might add some more distortion and stuff, but this is another thing. So the tricky thing about this is now we want to have heavier kick drums on top of this, and there is always a phasing problem with triggering kicks to loops. You might know this. We're gonna just show you how we do it in a quick way. So here is one of the kick drums prepared from the Audiotent GHEIST kit. I'm just gonna play it real quick to the breakbeat. So now here's the trick. You can do it also in Ableton. We do it in Logic. There's a function. First of all, we quantize it to make it easier. We usually don't want to have quantized drum sounds, but give me a second. So we're gonna make an audio file out of this. It's our kick drum. Bam. Okay. Then we loop it again, and then we go to our breakbeat. Put it to one track here. Logic is called merging, and same with the kick again. And then we can get into the groove DNA from the breakbeat, which means we can put it here in a second from this one. So it's gonna be analyzed now, and then we can make a groove template out of this breakbeat, and this is what we're gonna add in this case. So now we get a tight kick in the groove of our breakbeat. Let's listen to that quickly. Perfect, that's what we want. So now in the next step we just make some thoughts about how we want the kick drum. First of all, in kick drums added to loops with other kick drums, you always have to check the phases. You might know here phase invert plugins. Let's see. So it was the right phase already. The algorithm of the loop transition to the groove template was perfect. So now also what we want from the kick drum. Usually we start with a bit of EQing. We can like always cut a bit of the basses. I don't know, maybe to 20, 25, that's what we do. Then let's see already if again, if we need some more heights, like attacks in the kick drum. Was a nice attack here, around 2 kilohertz, and maybe get rid of some nasty mids. Very nice. I think this kick drum doesn't need any more low end. So in the next step, before we go to our drum buses, we also always try to get a little analog feeling. Either we run it through external machines, or we also really like some of the UAD stuff. We can add some harmonic distortion to it, what we're gonna try here. So just put the line up. It's getting really nice nice and punchy. And then there are from experiences like the 1.6 in the EQ and maybe a 60 or 110 also in the bass. Let's add this a little bit. Clearly here the 60 is very nice and 1.6 is like one of our favorites for kick equalizing. Yeah, that's basically it. Pretty fast.
Pretty fast. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye bye.